Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your risk tolerance with Betterment, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your risk tolerance with Betterment, start by visiting the Betterment website or opening the mobile app. Log into your Betterment account, or create a new account if you haven't done so yet. Once logged in, navigate to the investment section of the platform. Look for a feature labeled Risk Assessment or Risk Tolerance Questionnaire. Click on it to begin the questionnaire. The first question will typically ask about your investment goals. Respond to the question honestly, selecting the option that best reflects your objectives. Next, you will be asked about your time horizon for investing. Indicate how long you plan to keep your money invested before you may need to access it. The following questions will delve into your comfort with market fluctuations. Consider carefully how you would react if your investments lost value. Answer each question based on your true feelings toward risk. You may also encounter questions regarding your financial situation. Provide accurate information about your income, expenses, and savings. After completing the questionnaire, submit your responses. Betterment will analyze your answers to determine your risk tolerance level. You will receive a suggested investment portfolio based on your risk profile. Review these recommendations carefully. If you agree with the suggested allocation, you can proceed to invest. If you would like to adjust your risk level, Betterment usually allows you to modify your preferences. Take the time to reflect on your risk tolerance periodically. You can return to the risk assessment at any time to reassess your status. This ensures that your investment strategy remains aligned with your financial goals and comfort level. By following this process, you can confidently verify your risk tolerance with Betterment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.